Hello there, my name is Teddy and this is Janice Pharmacy. So today we'll just briefly go through some of the few things we do here. As you may know, Janice Hospital is both a medical and cancer hospital. What that means is that we cover all patients of all ailments, but there is a specific emphasis on cancer and chemotherapy patients. So I'll maybe briefly take you through some of the anti-cancer medications that are available, their classifications, how they are combined and given so that they can be most effective, and how we at Janice strive to give that service at the highest quality possible and at the most affordable price. So, for the classes of anti-cancer medications, I will keep it simple because really the point is that it serves the patients. We have about 5 broad categories of anti-cancer medications. Some of them are natural products, which you find usually from plants, and some of them are hormonal drugs, which resemble the hormones in our bodies. The largest class of anti-cancers is a class that works to reduce the reproduction of cancer cells, and it is called alkylating agents. There is also a class called antimetabolites, which reduces the inner workings of the cancer cells or their metabolism, hence the name antimetabolites. Then finally, there is a newer class of anti-cancer medications which are found to be safer for most patients. The reason being, they tend to be targeted towards chemo or cancer cells only, and they are also termed chemo-targeted therapies. This means that they reduce the bad effects that typical chemotherapy drugs have on your body because they do not act on your body's cells, rather they specifically target and act on cancer cells. This is just but a brief picture of what the domain of chemotherapy medication entails. So, what do we do as Janice? We have realized that there is a great need for cancer intervention in the country. Just like problems with diabetes, problems with hypertension, cancer is becoming one of the leading causes of death and indeed suffering in the country for over the past 20 or so years. And you find that because it's a relatively new condition in the country, its medications tend to be very expensive, and the care of patients going through that process is also such a hectic and involving process. And this is not to mention the emotional aspect where you lose a loved one in the family or you have to take care of them. What we have tried to do is establish a trust, or a cancer research trust, headed by our head doctor, Dr. Maranga, who aims to make sure that chemotherapy is made affordable for all Kenyans. He does this and makes sure that these drugs are made affordable and they are made available at Janice Hospital. We also ensure the highest quality nursing care and clinical care once the patient enters our facility. As for the drugs, we ensure that they are prepared in a safe environment. They are prepared with the exact dosage required by the patient to ensure that it is effective in clearing the cancer whilst preventing the adverse or the difficult side effects associated with cancer. All this while ensuring it is as affordable as possible. So I urge you, are welcome at Janice just to have a consultation, to do a checkup, Remember, cancer is one of the ailments where the earlier you detect it, the better your chances of reducing it or completely eradicating it. So please feel encouraged to come to our facility, get yourself checked, and have any sort of question about your body or about any particular suspicions you might have. Feel free to ask. We are always here. Our team of very well trained, very professional staff are very willing to assist you, and the experience will be worth it. As a pharmacist who has been in this field for quite some time, I can advise you confidently that for your own health, for your family's well-being, for your peace of mind, it is so important that you go to a health facility, of course Janice being one of the top among those. Get a consultation done, request that you have your family history done, and have anything, every parameter like blood pressure, blood sugar, and such parameters tested. You never know what you might find. And the beauty is, all these can be solved, especially if they're detected early. For us as Janice, we are located at Ngumo, that is in Sunview Estate, just opposite Kenyatta Market. So feel free to contact us at Janice on our phone number 0714-734343. Janice Hospital, quality healthcare and quality service.